Every day, 500,000 bottles begin their journey here.
Clear! Back it up! Woo!
The first delivery, 40 tons of refined sugar.
Bay 3 connected, ready to pump.
Pneumatic systems transfer it directly to storage silos. Each silo holds enough sweetness for 200,000 bottles.
Moving concentrate to mixing floor.
The secret formula arrives in sealed concentrate barrels. Carbon dioxide, stored under pressure, awaits its transformation. 30,000 gallons per hour enter the purification maze. With all ingredients assembled, the transformation begins.
Water begins its 7-stage purification journey.
Sediment and particles vanish through microscopic barriers. Reverse osmosis removes every invisible impurity.
Ultraviolet light eliminates every living microorganism.
O3 concentration, 0.4 ppm optimal ozone injection provides one final barrier against contamination.
Carbon change on vessel B, vessel A maintaining flow.
Activated carbon polishes water to absolute perfection. 60,000 gallons stand ready for transformation into cola.
Only after laboratory certification does production begin.
Here, water becomes the world's most recognized flavor.
Sugar charge complete. Starting dissolution cycle.
2,400 pounds of sugar disappear into solution.
Steady, hold position.
The secret concentrate transforms simple syrup into liquid cola.
Acidification in progress.
Each micro-ingredient calibrated to match the exact formula. Temperature target reached, holding for homogenization.
Heat and motion achieve molecular perfection in minutes.
Filtration removes every particle down to 5 microns.
5,000 gallons of syrup await their marriage with carbonation.
Batch 2847 approved for production.
Release syrup to blending. Start carbonation prep.
In these pressure vessels, magic bubbles are born. 4 volumes of carbon dioxide dissolve into every volume of liquid.
Carbonation at 4.02 volumes. Optimal.
Precision measurement ensures every bubble meets the standard.
Water and syrup unite in mathematically perfect ratios. The final kiss of carbonation happens at lightning speed.
1,000 gallons stand ready for the filling lines.
Even escaped bubbles are captured and returned to service.
Good bubble structure, nice bite, balanced sweetness.
With final approval granted, 500,000 bottles await filling.
Preform delivery to line 3.
Every bottle begins life as a 3-inch test tube. Infrared heat softens plastic to the edge of melting. 350 pounds of pressure inflates perfection in under 1 second. Every bottle faces pressure testing before earning approval.
Artificial intelligence examines every surface in milliseconds.
An endless river of bottles flows toward their liquid destiny.
Ionized air purges every particle before liquid enters.
Rinser operating nominal. No rejects.
Bottles float on air toward filling at 400 per minute.
72 valves fill 400 bottles every minute.
Line speed 402 BPM, all valves operational. Pressure equalization prevents a single bubble from escaping. Thousands of caps dance upward toward their bottles. Every cap tightened to within 2 inch-pounds of perfection. Every cap tightened to within 2 inch-pounds of perfection. High-pressure water erases every trace of the filling process. Labels wrap bottles at 400 per minute without error. Laser precision etches traceability into every bottle.
5 inspection systems guarantee every bottle meets specification.
Hundreds spiral gracefully, awaiting their journey into cases.
"24 bottles unite into perfect formation. Flat cardboard transforms into sturdy cases in seconds. 24 bottles drop as one into their cardboard home. Hot adhesive seals each case against the journey ahead. Every case weighed in motion with 0 production delay. Each case receives its unique identity and destination code. Robotic precision stacks 600 bottles in a single graceful motion. Each layer separated by protection against the weight above. 6 layers rise into a single unit of 3,600 bottles.
4 miles of film will bind this pallet into a single unit.
40 rotations bind 3,000 pounds into stability. Heat-sealed film armor protects against moisture and tampering.
Pallet P2847 complete. Releasing to warehouse.
4 labels and 3 documents create complete traceability. Only perfection passes through these gates into global distribution.
2 million bottles rest in climate-controlled storage, awaiting their destinations.
Every pallet tracked to exact coordinates in the automated system. 6 meters above ground, inventory awaits its shipping call.
Every bottle's location tracked to the second in digital memory.
Proceed to aisle 19, level 2, position 14.
Aisle 19, level 2, position 4 confirmed.
Dock 7, your driver is checked in and backing now. 12 pallets ready for load up.
20 docks pulse with 26 pallets slide together like a puzzle into the trailer.
Bring next pallet, position 2B.
Straight run to Dallas, about 7 hours.
Sealed and secured, 90,000 bottles begin their journey to consumers.
Unit 347, report status.
347, loaded and en route, all systems green.
7 hours of highway connect production to distribution networks.
Unit 347 from Refreshco arriving Dock 34.
Clear, you're good. Straight back, hold.
Regional hubs receive and redistribute to thousands of retailers.
Supermarket chain, lane A.
26 pallets received from Refreshco, all verified, sorting to 4 outbound orders.
Distribution centers, orchestra.
15 stops, 240 cases, priority delivery to Main Street location.
Unit 12, you're cleared for Route 47. Check in at first stop.
48 cases of cola, 12 diet, looks good.
Appreciate it. See you next Tuesday. From factory to shelf, the complete journey measured in hours.
Chilled to perfection, waiting for the moment of choice. And this is how modern factories produce 500,000 bottles from start to finish.
From water and sugar to global refreshment, this is the precision of modern manufacturing.